Hello everyone, how are you? Nice to see you again. Thank you for stopping by. I'm here to present you another design team project for Daisy Collins, TsunamiRoseDesigns. I will put on the link below to her amazing store so you can go have a look to the huge variations of printables and kits that she is having, and you will love them. It's a junk journal's paradise over there. He also has printed kits with mystery boxes, print ephemeras, so you can have fussy cut images that you can skip the fussy cut part. She has an amazing channel with live streaming every day, and you will get amazing ideas because she's very productive, and she's a really fun and cool person. And she also has a Facebook group that it's called Cool Kids, and you will get inspiration and interact with other junk journal crafters. So this is a junk journal it was a design team project for the previous month, for the previous month, but I didn't post it. Sorry, I apologize for that. So this is the Chrysanthemum kit, and this is a book, a junk journal that is semi-hardcover. You can call it hard, it's not actually that hard, and it's 40 centimeters, that's 8.5 inches around there, by I forgot, this is 80 centimeters, that's, geez, my memory. So this is 18 centimeters, 19 centimeters, 19 centimeters, that's 8.5 inches, and it's 13 wide, that's 5.5 inches. It's one signature, so it has only, it doesn't have a hard spine, and flat spine, and wax thread, metal corners. I took one of the printables and created it as cover, and put organza fabric and thread it and create this how you call this, thread thing, this effect, and mother of pearl buttons here, stitched around, and for the signature some beads. Geez, I apologize, I really apologize, but I have forgotten completely. I have rushed it so long without making any videos. The canvas, the fabric, the cover, geez, sorry, the cover is canvas fabric, and I have used many times, I know. And let's get inside before I start saying more stupid stuff. So let's open. It's hard to open the bit. It needs to be softened. I made it so long ago, and as I put it in the side, it gets a bit stiff. So here, the kits, as I tell you, the printables are the kits Chrysanthemum. I created a pocket with lace. This is a beautiful embroidery lace, and has some embroidery on top. This is the mason jar ephemeras from the kit. Most of the stuff and even the ephemeras are printed on both sides. Even the back of the printed on the back print. Geez, even the back print is lines, and the lines are kit from Tsunami's Rose. So this is the Chrysanthemum mason jars. He has a huge variation of mason jars ephemera. This is one of the page I cut and created as an ephemera because I did a boo-boo on the page. This is a cardboard stall from the black and white kit that are printed on yellow paper, and this is one of the library cards. He has a huge variation of library cards, and this is the Chrysanthemum one. I apologize, I have been rusted, sorry. What's this? The whole, geez. I was thinking a tiny thing, and so I think this is one of the folders that I cut it straight here, but it has a folder set for the Chrysanthemum kit, and I cut it straight to create pockets. It's printed on cards like this one, This I created a pocket with one of the from my scrappy rolls, and I put a ribbon there and a button, and there's a library card from the Chrysanthemum kit, a page that I cut by mistake, so I created as an ephemera because I didn't put the page, and a mini mason jar on black and white, the black and white series. So this is the scrap roll I created many months ago, but I didn't do a video because I can show you, I can turn the camera where it is so you can see the stitching part. I know it was stupid of me not to make a video, but I did many months ago, and it's an idea on how you can use stripes and leftovers from your papers. So this is the ledger pages from the Chrysanthemum kit. Just a piece of ribbon there, Greek ledger pages, decoupage butterfly over there, decoupage butterfly here. It's actually a napkin that I decoupage, a beautiful napkin. Greek logistic book, and here we have, let's take it off, mason jar, ephemera, library card, and here it's an envelope that I minimize it. The original size is bigger. It's from the Chrysanthemum kit, and I minimize it because it looks cute. I like to minimize stuff. They look cute. I mean the printable stuff, not anything else. So this is ledger page from the Chrysanthemum kit. It's a nice size junk journal, very convenient to put in your bag. It's not too small, it's not too big. Coffee stain papers, Greek book pages, and has plenty of space for you to write. So here I think this is another folder, because I told you I cut the folder straight, and I stitched together with a page and created a pocket and put an ephemera from the black and white kit. And let me place it back. So this is one side. This is the page, the ledger page from the Chrysanthemum kit, and this is the folder from the Chrysanthemum kit. And I created, as I told you, a page, stitched it. So this is the ledger page from the Chrysanthemum kit, fabric, ledger page. This is the original size of the envelopes, and you can see it compared to the other that was minimized. This is the envelopes from the Chrysanthemum kit. It has also a huge variation with various flowers or other designs and birds and butterflies. Envelopes you can find there in the store. This is card postal on black and white printed on yellow paper. There. Greek receipts, ledger pages with the Chrysanthemum kit. This is words from her store. Daisy has a huge variation, writes magic over there, I don't know if you can see it. Huge variations of words and numbers, so you will love it. This is a ticket, maximize a bit. Great ledger pages. Even the lines here, it's double-side printed as you see. The lines here are also empty, you know, it's with no designs, lines that you can print from her store. This is the folder that I cut the top. Ledger pages from the Chrysanthemum kit. It's a really beautiful kit, especially if you love chrysanthemums. So this is one of the scrappy rolls piece that I took. Place a piece of ribbon and a ticket there, and I place a decoupage paper as a top. I don't know, just paper, you know, an ephemera there. This is the book page, library cards from the Chrysanthemum kit. This is the mason jar in black and white that I printed on yellow. Another black and white ephemera that she has, and I printed on yellow. yellow. And this is one of the bingo cards, minimized a bit, and she has a huge variation in many colors of bingo cards, and you will love it because it will match all your, all your project. Another one of the words writes rainbow there. The folder, and this is a paper clip I did with the mother of pearl and an organza fabric that I threaded. Goes there. This is folder, as I told you, when I cut the top. Ledger pages with the chrysanthemums. Plenty of space for you to write. Ledger pages with the chrysanthemums. Writing space, you see it. Ledger pages with other color chrysanthemums. Ribbon fabric. So here what I did is I took one of the folders, cut a piece of it. I like the design of the folder. It's also, if you see, it's also the cover, the front cover. So I created an imitation of the, the tin holes thingy that he has, the die cut, that it creates this thingy that I don't know how it's called, the 3-pocket thingy. So I cut it with the, with the sharp knife, the blade, and created these 3 pockets. Another bingo card with different color. I don't know if you can see it on camera. It's a yellow with a teal writing. It's a pale yellow with teal writing, black and white ephemera, and a library card. And we create 3 pockets there. And that's the other side. This is the folder, as I told you, that I cut the edges. It's the chrysanthemums folder. The folders are amazing, are really amazing. Printed on cardstock. Writing space, receipt, lines for writing space. Another ledger chrysanthemums page. Writing space, plenty of writing space. I don't over decorate my junk jars. I have an issue with decoration. I can cover the pretty papers, that's my thing. Plus I believe that the person that received the junk journal must decorate it, must use it, must write on it and use it and decorate and put pictures and stickers and whatever things. This is a cardboard card in black and white that are printed in yellow, and the envelopes from the kit. And as I was saying, the journals are for you to complete them. So you put your tickets from cinema, things you want to remember from a date, from a nice day, from whatever. Ledger pages with the chrysanthemums. Another folder that I cut the top. Butterfly decoupage, ribbon, fabric ribbon, another paper clip. It's a wooden button with organza threaded ribbon or a fabric all around. Jeez, I will find where I have to go someday this year. Oh jeez, I told you I'm completely rusty. I forgot how to do videos. So this is the side. Ledger pages. Another envelope from the chrysanthemums kit. Ledger pages with chrysanthemums. These don't look so much. These look more than, I don't know how you call it. I know the name of this flower. Decoupage butterfly. Opens like this. This is a pocket, a side pocket, with a scrap roll and a button there, and a piece of a page. Creates an ephemera, a writing space for you. Another paper with decoupage butterflies. Don't they look stunning? Love this. Here, jeez, and bingo card. Ledger pages with chrysanthemums, and here it's a black and white ephemera printed on yellow, and it's a pocket created with folder. This is the folder, beautiful, and this is the ledger page with the page, writing space, word, and so that was my junk journal with the chrysanthemums kits, and I will put all the links below so you can go have a look. They're amazing papers, designs. I'm telling you, if you go to this store, you will be stunned. So many variations, so many collections for you. You will be, you know, like in the candy store, and you won't know what to pick. Chameleon. No, it's not chameleon. Jeez, I can't remember it. I will remember when I don't need it. So that's the Chrysanthemums Junk Journal. I hope you like it, got inspired. Tell me what you think. Leave a comment and tell me your opinion, your suggestions, whatever you wish to say. I apologize for the crap video, and geez, I've forgotten how to do videos. I really apologize. So don't forget, share, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell button so you will get notifications. Don't forget, thumbs up, hugs and kisses. We'll speak soon. Thank you for watching.